Hi all, welcome to my another video. In this video we will check how to bind Sharepoint list item to a drop down. For example, we have certain conditions like suppose if we want to attach all the department into a drop down field. For example, here we can see in our site content we have a list department. So under department list we have certain items here like finance, IT, HR. So in this video we are going to show how we can bind all these things to a drop down. For example, this is our employee page. Here we have a department and here we have a drop down. So currently this is a static, we are just attached in HTML the finance. So what we are going to do today's video, we will attach all the departments to the drop down. So we will check how we can do. So first we will open our employee page HTML file. So in our employee page HTML file, here you can see we have the previous videos, as we mentioned, we have JS file, we have CSS file, all things being included. So this is our body part. Here we have added department label and here we have added a static finance. So now we are going to change this to dynamic and we have to attach from Sharepoint list. So for that we have a get list item in our employee.js file. So we will move to our employee.js file. So in our employee.js file we have get list item. So we are fetching data from the department list. So this is our department list name. Here you can see. Yeah, so here you can see this is our department. So our department list name is department. So we have added department here. Then we are getting the data in our success function. So here we are retrieving our items. So in our console.log I just showing the items, so we will just display where all the items are displaying. So when we go to our employee page, when we refresh here, so when we go to inspect in our console, so here you can see the items which we needed. Okay, so what all things we need? We need currently the department. So we have that, we need the title, we will give us a text, and the ID we will give us a value. For example, in our this HTML we will provide value as ID and the text as the title. So for that we have to bind ID and title. So we will look how we can do that. So just go to our code. Here we will just cut this option because we need only the select options we will do dynamically. So go to our employee.js file, just come in here. So now we have to get all the items from the items. So for that we will just put a for loop. Time the loop is running, so we have to change to J. Okay, so now here you can see, so first we will get the all the department items here. So from here we will get the data. So from the data we will get all the items here. So once from the items, what we are going to do, we are looping the items, and from the items we will fetch ID and title. We are binding to our drop down department HTML. This drop down field we are just binding. So now we will just save and we'll run our employee page. So once we refresh our employee page, here you can see all the three departments were binded. So like in our finance, IT, HR, so all the departments are binded to the drop down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.